Hello everybody, so today another very quick lesson. I just want to quickly look at selecting edge rings. So in the last lesson we looked at edge loops. Let's look at selecting edge rings today, and I will do this very quickly show you. Oops daisy. This time I'm going to go to my select tool, of course. At the moment I'm in points. I need to change this to edges. There we go, I've got my edges again. Now remember, in the last lesson I just double click and I select my edge loop. There we go. Now to select an edge ring, this time instead of double clicking, I have to hold down my middle mouse button and double click. Alright, now I've got my edge ring, that's it. So I can also hold down the shift and I can select multiple edge rings. And remember, just like in the last lesson, hold down the control key and I can remove them. Alright, that's cool. Let me see if I can also do the two of them. I'm going to go to my middle mouse and yeah, okay, so I can do that too. I just thought I'd test that now. So yeah, I can also, of course, hold my shift and I can double click to select multiple, there we go, multiple edge loops. And if I want to also have edge rings, keep the shift key down, hold down the middle mouse button, double click, and then I can do that too. I'm not sure in which situation I'd need to select all of them, but it's there if you need it. Alright, any questions, please leave them below, and you guys have a great day.